All right, let's go. So it's been a volatile couple of days for crypto. XRP wicked down to $2.75, and it was beginning to look like
we fucked up.
Between XRP dropping and my bad picks on Sunday's football games, it felt like every decision I made was wrong. And the big news right now is the tribal feud between XRP and Bitcoin.
Ripple is undermining American prosperity and freedom. I can confirm Ripple is actively spending millions of dollars trying to undermine a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the United States of America.
He was then asked if he can send his Bitcoin on-chain within seconds, like one can do with XRP.
So we don't have the capacity.
So look, the bears are going to try to come out and play, but it still feels like things are going as planned.
I'll start by just saying that I have spoken directly with the president on some of these things, and it's very clear to me that the president is committed, he understands the value of these technologies. He wants to be the crypto president of the United States. And I think, one of their clear priorities is to undo some of the harmful things the prior administration was doing.
So we got a lot to talk about. I'm also going to give away $200 in free crypto, may even run it back and do another giveaway on this video. But we start right here. From Ripple, 2025 kicks off with big wins for crypto in the US and Ripple's growth. New money transmitter licenses in New York and Texas, new customers onboarded, and ramping up hiring across the US. And right after that, XRP jumps 12% to $3.11 as Ripple secures MT licenses in New York and Texas. A bull flag pattern targets $4.62, an increase of 49%, with RSI climbing from 58 to 62. Signaling bullish momentum. And we'll take a look at some more price levels here in a minute, but let's give away the first $100. All right, here we are at the Random Common Picker website. I have pasted the link from the last video in here. Gonna go ahead and fetch all the comments, and then we will pick a winner. I will leave these options here. Anything goes as far as the comments. I went through and made sure there's not a lot of spam in there. We will include replies, but no duplicates. Thank you very much to all 576 commenters. Go ahead and pick a winner. Han Gwen 2167 left a heart. Thank you very much for your comment. Go back to your comment, original one, edit it with your USDT 0x address. I will go ahead, send you $100 in free crypto, and we got one more giveaway coming up in this video. Take a look at this from Bravo's research. Bitcoin's parabolic rallies have always coincided with this signal. And this is an interesting post that is linked below, but to summarize, it says that Bitcoin's parabolic rallies have historically aligned with the US economy entering a cyclical recovery phase. It goes on to say that Purchasing Managers Index, or PMI, is a key indicator of economic activity. And you can see this when the PMI score is over 50, which indicates economic expansion. The price of Bitcoin has also increased in a parabolic fashion. And real quick, want to say thanks to Sol Global for sponsoring this video. Thanks to them, I'm able to do another crypto giveaway. So same as before, $100 free giveaway on the next video, thanks to Sol Global. And if we get over 3,000 likes, I will double it to $200. And this is Sol Global Investments, one of the first publicly traded companies focused on investing in the Solana ecosystem. So this is similar to what MicroStrategy does with Bitcoin, but the main difference is Sol Global isn't just about one cryptocurrency. Their focus is on the Solana network. The company has just purchased over 17,000 Sol coins and currently has a staking rate of 5.9%. You can think of them as a modern day venture capitalist, but instead of investing in tech startups, they're all about growing their digital asset stockpile. While MicroStrategy holds Bitcoin like a digital gold reserve, Sol Global explores, diversifies, and stakes in the ever-growing Solana ecosystem. So I'll leave some info below if you want to check out Sol Global. And thanks again to Sol Global for sponsoring this video. And if you want to participate in the free crypto giveaway, just like this video and leave a comment below. So by now we've all heard about the executive order to establish United States leadership in digital financial technology. And obviously more information will come out as to exactly what this means. However, what was slightly overlooked is this. From Ellie Tourette of Fox News, the SEC has issued SAB 122, which officially rescinds SAB 121. And this is really important because SAB 121 essentially prevented banks from holding crypto for their customers. And I say essentially because banks were still allowed to hold crypto, but SAB 121 said they needed to hold an equal amount of dollars in reserves as to the crypto that they held. This concept obviously goes against our fractional reserve banking system. Now, obviously this is not an overnight fix. This is going to take some time, but I think this will start to lead to a huge increase in crypto lending within the US. Crazy story right here. 489-pound rapper Dank DeMoss has launched a lawsuit against Lyft after one of their drivers denied her a ride because he said she wouldn't fit in his car. And I read a little bit deeper into this story. Seems to be a bit of a misunderstanding whereby she ordered a Lyft but actually needed a forklift. And the funniest part about this is that she's 489 pounds. Don't even think about calling her 490 because that would make her sound fat. In fairness, I think the driver could have taken her for the ride considering she was just going next door. Taking a look at some other headlines.
Instead of taxing our citizens to enrich foreign nations, we should be tariffing and taxing foreign nations to enrich our citizens. Does that make sense, right?
And from the Prez, Monica Long, 60 plus licenses secured globally, including the 2 money transmitter licenses we just talked about, approved in New York and Texas. From CoinDesk, NASDAQ has filed to allow for the BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust to let authorized participants buy and redeem shares of the fund directly in Bitcoin. Eric Trump confirms US-based crypto projects will benefit from zero capital gains tax. US-based projects like XRP and HBAR will eventually benefit from zero capital gains tax, while non-US-based projects will face a 30% tax. Could TikTok be coming to Polkadot? From Emil Keitzman on X, the leading bidder is Project Liberty. This is the movement started by Frank McCourt and joined recently by Kevin O'Leary and others. Project Liberty runs on a blockchain called Frequency, which is a Polkadot parachain. We see here that whales bought the recent XRP dip to the tune of 120 million XRP. Take a look at a little connect the dots speculation right here. Elon Musk moved both SpaceX and X headquarters to Texas, leaving California. Ripple just got a money transmitter license in Texas. Elon has told us that he believes X payments could become half of the global financial system. In line with that, from the CEO of X, Linda Yaccarino, Visa is our first partner for the X Money account, which will debut later this year. Going on to say that this is the first of many big announcements about X Money this year. And you probably heard about the alleged affair between Jennifer Aniston and Barack Obama. Jennifer came out and denied it, but this is what Barack had to say.
I'm not gay no more.
But then he went home and apologized to Michelle. Let's take a look at some price levels for XRP and Bitcoin. Taking a look at the XRP 1-week chart, we have updated fib levels here, assuming that 339 was the local top. You can see this orange box of the 0.618 and the 0.786 fib retracement levels, which coincide with $1.11 and $1.60. There is currently a bearish divergence when comparing the RSI with the price, but if we can break this level of 92 on the RSI and have a weekly close above it, this would negate the bearish divergence. Looking at the stochastic RSI, we see XRP is still below this 80 level. What you would want to see for XRP is to close and stay above this 80 level. That is generally when you're more likely to see upward bullish price momentum. When we look at Bitcoin, it's a bit of a similar situation. We have the updated fib levels, assuming the local top is in. You can see this green box here between 64,700 and 74,200. Bitcoin is also having a bearish divergence when comparing RSI with price, but if we can break above this 85 RSI level on the weekly close, this would negate the bearish divergence. Stochastic RSI is still below the 80 level, which is bearish on a weekly view. If we do head down further, we have this CME gap around 88,000-ish, which also corresponds to the bull market support band. If this level gets hit and the market index turns to fear or neutral, this could be a good time to DCA or add to your position. All right, let's give away another $100. All right, I'm gonna pick one more winner. Shabels6844. Love your way of giving insides. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shabels. Go back to this comment, update it with your 0x USDT address, and I will send you the $100. And if you didn't win this time, we're giving away more on the next video. Just like and comment for your chance to win. So you know 2025 is going to be a good year when even the bald eagles are starting to grow hair. Just remember to be cautious because not every opportunity is a good opportunity, but be patient and soon you'll get what you deserve. And if you have a couple more minutes, you may also like this video right here, where we expose BlackRock's crypto plans and the path for XRP to get to $100. Until the next time, be safe.